Pausing myself, soaking my mind and soul in this beautiful monsoon rain brings in me that spark of joy. Bangalore is back with its monsoon vibes, and this year is more beautiful than the last one. We all have paused. Staying indoors has made us realize that we appreciate the moments we spend together as a family. There is no missing daddy for a long time. There is no rush in the morning for schools. There is one beautiful thing about water. You know what? It takes the shape of the container in which it is placed. I treat my life the same way when my body and mind give up. Only when you pause and reflect on your life regularly, you will find the purpose of your life. Don't be harsh on yourself, mamas out there. Take help. Keep a day for yourself. Cause if you are restless and pissed off, your family will have to go through the same. I was 27 when she came into my life. It was roller coaster ride. Well, if you are not a mama yet, you can relate to this sentence more once you put your shoes on. Initial days were harder. I guess every parent struggle in bringing up their first child. But as time passed, I realized the only one soul who believes you, trusts you, and loves you unconditionally are these sweet souls. Do you remember which color does red and yellow give?
Orange.
Now similarly, let's do yellow and blue. Okay? Find the blue color.
Blue. Blue.
Let's take this blue.
Yeah.
This one, this. Which color did you get?
Green.
The more time we started spending together, I saw her reacting emotionally and mentally. She started opening up and expressing more. We bonded more deeply. Disclaimer, you don't have to spend the whole day with them. But the time that you spend with them, try to be there physically as well as mentally. I mean an undivided attention. Play or do art and craft or some kinds of stuff that interests them. I keep my phone and other works aside for that period of time. It fills me with positivity. That's another on my list that sparks joy in me.
About your heart, maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Joy didn't came. Where do you want to put it?
I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere.
Who doesn't like shopping? But when you are given the chance to suit yourself the product to support a business, that joy is uncommunicative. When this Indian brand approached me to collaborate, the satisfaction of knowing that my work is liked by someone and they can trust me, that was joy. Today, I received these beautiful pieces from Zook, an Indian brand that has varieties of options in bags, wallets and accessories. If you are looking for a handbag or sling bag or even an office laptop bag, then head to the link that I have provided in my description box. You can use the given code to avail the extra 15% discount on your purchases.
Dreaming of you.
The wallet was my absolute love. As it is spacious, it has lots of compartments and is thoughtfully designed to hold your cards and IDs. Most importantly, it can accommodate my iPhone, which I loved it. Seriously, I have been struggling to find a perfect wallet that can hold my phone. I guess my search has ended.
Could reach everyone, there'd be no wars.
Speaking of the handbag, the material used is vegan leather and jute khadi fabric. Has a single zipper compartment where you can store a large chunk of things for a day's out. It has inbuilt pockets, two to hold your keys or pens or phones. Basically, #important stuff, I would say. Do check the link out. I'm sure you won't be disappointed as they have a wide variety of options to choose from.
Dreaming of you.
My mom used to cook delicious dishes. We were so used to her cooking style that our taste buds didn't accept experimental dishes. But after marriage, I literally struggled because I came across some dishes that I never knew they existed. I was totally on a denial phase to even taste it. Eventually, I got matured enough to give these dishes a try. Then the transition of no interest in cooking to cooking came into my life. And now I am trying to make new dishes for my family since I have started this channel. If you look back to your past, I must say life is such a beautiful journey. Maybe next year you will be seeing me doing the same cooking scenes, but definitely there will be a difference. Maybe I may turn out more knowledgeable than what I am today. Anyways, I don't plan for 5 years, but I have a clear picture where I want to see myself next year. The noodles took a little more time than expected. Meanwhile, I decided to make the fusion Chinese sauce, where I have added chopped ginger and garlic. Once turned out golden, add the chopped onions and saute it till they turn soft. The noodles are perfectly fried now. Until the final output came out, my mind was flooded with questions. What if these won't turn out good? What if they don't come out in a cluster? And what if Ruhi won't like this dish? Do you go through the same phase while trying a new recipe? Let me know in my comment box and get connected. Now it's time to add the veggies and sort them. Once they turn soft or get perfectly cooked, add 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix until the veggies are well coated. Once the fried noodles cool down, crumble them in your hands. Add the sauce and give it a mix. Top it with some spring onions and make sure you serve it immediately, else it turns out soggy. I was skeptical about this fusion dish whether Ruhi will like it or not, but the way she enjoyed it was a green signal to try this dish out for second time. Now you can try this recipe out and let me know how it turned out for you. Check the description box to find out the detailed stuffs. I'm gonna make my bag ready to escape this household chores and take a break. That's all for this week. Meet you soon. Don't go without subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified on all my uploads, be it community posts or video posts. Share, like and comment if this video was relatable. Happy waiting. Meet you next week. Bye bye.